Okay, I got my stereo all set up. I added 6.5-inch speaker pods in my lowers. So now I have four 6.5s, Polk DB 651s. I got the Polk DB 401s. I believe it's the model number. They're the 4-inch. And then I got the two tweeters from the Hogtunes tweeter bar. Pushing it, I got the Rockford fosgate 304 amp. It's 75 watts per channel RMS. And here's what it sounds like.
Trust I seek and I find in you.